There. Who is there?
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
So what about your days going on here?
It's good.
Really?
Yeah,
What
it's
about your
good.
experience of
It's beautiful.
all?
I love Dharamsala.
How much time you have spent here?
Maybe on and off 2 months.
Since last from how you are
I
here?
was here last year also.
No, I'm talking about this year.
This year I came, I think, in May.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh my God. So
Yeah.
you're more than no 7-8 months.
May, June, July.
Okay, 3 months.
Yes.
So where we can visit? How you can? What do you say about to all my subscribers? Where they can visit the area? Can you please come this side?
Yes.
Yeah.
Where they can visit, there's so many things to do. I think Baksu is nice. Dharamkot is very nice. I like
What
Dharamkot.
kind of activities they can do here? What they can?
They can go on treks, they can go to Naddi, they can go to Gallu waterfalls, they can go to Baksu waterfall here, Triun, and they can go to Kareri Lake. Kareri
Yeah.
Lake is very beautiful track.
So you've
Yes.
been in Kareri Lake.
Yes.
Can you please little bit explain about the way and the what you prefer the camping or what we
You
what
can
you
go and stay there in camps also, like just like Triun. And you can also go and stay there in homestays. There are a lot of
there are
people, local
homestays are also
villagers.
there.
Yes.
And
lot of local
what about the
villagers.
prices?
Yeah, the prices are pretty reasonable. It's not like expensive. It's very reasonable. Like
They start
500 per night. It starts from. They also provide food. Actually, in Naddi, above Naddi, if you go on the Naddi road, above Naddi there's a village called Balgaon.
Wow, the name of the village is Balgaon.
Balgaon.
Okay, it's
And
Upper Nadi.
From the Naddi river point, you should climb a little up. And this is a small village, beautiful village, and you can stay there. I know a guy, I was staying there. It's like they charge you 500 per day, and they provide you breakfast and dinner. Also,
Okay.
homemade food. You're just living with family, like locals, local
Wow.
experience. It's
And this
so
is the one
nice.
kind of also you can gain some traditional and
Yes, the cultures.
culture experiences
Yes,
also.
and from that village, from Balgaon, there is a temple.
The name of the
called
village is Balgaon.
Balgaon.
It's how far from Nadi?
Naddi River Point. From Naddi River Point, you just climb up. Like from River Point, you can just see the village. It's right there.
How much times we can reach
From
in it?
Tushita, if you start walking, I think it will take 45 minutes to 1 hour
Okay,
to reach Naddi.
it's a 45-minute trek.
Yes.
Am I right?
Yes.
Okay. And
And also from Balgaon, there is a temple called Guna Devi Temple.
Guna Devi Temple.
Guna Devi
Wow.
Temple. It's a 1 hour trek inside dense
1 hour,
forest.
1 hour.
1 hour trek. And these days, if you go in the weekend, it's not advisable because a lot of locals from different places they want to go there, to that temple.
Okay.
It's very nice temple.
Okay. So it's for local peoples also.
Yes,
They
a
are
lot
the
of local
spiritual-
peoples only in the weekend.
Okay, the
If
local.
you go on the weekdays, it's a very nice forest. You'll find very less people. It's a beautiful temple.
It's not too much crowded area. I
Yes,
think it's
yes.
a very
It's nice.
peaceful.
Very peaceful.
And good for the. I think
Very
this is good for meditation,
meditation. Yes, it's very
also. And
nice.
this is the name of the village is
Balgaon.
Balgaon. And okay, and you already told me about the Triund. What about the Triund?
Triund, no.
I'm talking about your experience.
No, I
Yeah.
haven't been on Trian.
You know, and
No.
Triund and what about the Gullu?
Gallu Devi
Gallu,
is
Gallu.
beautiful.
Gallu Devi
Gallu
temple is there.
Devi, yes, there's a temple. From temple, it's a 1 hour trek inside. There's a nice waterfall. You can take bath. You can chill there. It's one of my favorite treks. Gallu trek I've done I think more than 10 times.
Wow! And
Yes,
how much
I
time?
like it.
How much time we take from the McLeod? We start
From
from the here.
Dharamkot.
If we are starting from the starting point is the Baksunag temple where we
Okay, from here.
where from here. So when we start trek from here, so how much? What is the way? Can you please
From
guide us to
here?
us?
Yes.
Please can you please guide us?
Yes. So
Wait a minute. I can just take one break. We will back after a
short break.
Say break.
Break.
We also provide you the makeup artist. Not to worry. Not to worry.
I
Within-
don't do makeup. It's okay.
Anyway, it's your wish, but we can
Yes.
if you can do this kind of act in our channel, so we 110% provide you many things. May God promote our channels. Om Namah.
Yes.
Start from the welcome,
Welcome back, guys. If you're starting from Baksunag, I think you should go up towards Baksu, and then you go towards Dharamkot, and you go towards Upper Dharamkot, and from Upper Dharamkot you ask anyone, they will tell you the way to Gallu Devi temple. So once you reach the temple, you can also take a cab all the way from McLeodganj to Gallu Devi temple. There is a way for cabs to go, so you can also do that. And yeah, from the temple you either ways have to walk. You have to walk till the waterfalls. It's probably 45 minutes to 1 hour, depends on how fast you walk. And the trek is very nice, very beautiful, very challenging. Like, it's a basic trek, but the path is beautiful. And once you reach there, there is a small shop. That person, he's an old man, he lives there, and he provides like basic food. He makes Maggie and bread and toast and stuff like that, and you can buy the basic things you need for the trek. And the water is very clean, it's very energizing. There's a lot of energy in that water, and whenever I take a dip in that water, it just like when I'm walking back, I will, like when I reach the waterfall, I would be so tired, but one dip and I'm like so energized. I want to, even the way back is very happy at heart and for the body also. So it's a nice trek, you should check it out. And when
And
you're
also you can check her energy right now. Can you please stand up? Can you move little bit? So this is the super energy from Gulu Devi,
waterfall.
Gulu waterfall, and Gulu Devi, goddess Gulu Devi. Please,
guys.
please.
Yes.
And where we
Yeah, on the way from Gallu, there is a cafe called Sunset Cafe. There's like nice stairs. You will see a lot of Westerners sitting there and chilling with their instruments. With they serve very good pizza, and you get nice orange juice. That's my favorite. Whenever I go there, I have to eat the pizza. We burn all the calories, we eat, and we come back. So that's why I like that trek. Yes.
so my dear friends,
Yes.
can you explain where we stay? There is a campings out there or homestays
No,
are
in
there?
Gallu there is nothing. You just have to go, and it's a day trip. You
It's
go
a one-day
there in
trip.
summer. But near Gallu Devi temple, you can find places to stay. I was searching for a place. Below Gallu Devi also there is another village. It's very beautiful village. They charge you like same 500 rupees with food and everything, just like Naddi. It's very nice.
So, my dear friends, if you also join us, join our treks, join our tours, join our traveling experience, so please come, and you can find our numbers in our description box. Am I right?
Yes, Om Namah Shivaya.
Please come and join us. Say,
Please come and join us.
and don't forget to subscribe the channel, and also
Like, share,
check
subscribe.
the her videos more, because she is the rising star, she is the superstar, she is the really awesome, and she is very great to facing the camera. Be happy.
Thank you.
Yes, my friend, what did you say?
I said you should go to Nadi. It's very beautiful. Very, very
When you are free.
When I am free, I am always free to go to Nadi. Nadi is my favorite place because the river is so beautiful there. And I also know so many locals over there. And it's like always when I meet them, it's like meeting a family. They're very friendly to me.
So my dear friend, do one thing. You can just fix the date or time. We can start shoot from the till where we start. Okay,
Yes,
and then we
yes.
can do the all, explore all
Yes.
things, and we can make the beautiful and awesome videos,
Yes,
surroundings,
sure.
and we can promote this trek also.
yes.
And we also, if anyone want to join us, please come and join our group. Am I right?
Sure, yes. It will be lots of fun. Please join.
Join us, and you can find our number in our description notes. Stay happy, be blessed.
Okay, welcome back, guys.
Paradise
I was
International
just,
Film Academy.
I was just asking him because like I met him in Rishikesh last time, I think in February.
Near
yes.
about February.
Yes, so I met him there and I know Baba from there. So I was just asking him when he's going back to Rishikesh.
Yeah, God knows, and we are planning to make some good and educational and awareness video from our all tours in India, Kashmir to Kanyakumari. So, the guys, check our upcoming
Channel.
videos, and so you update all the things.
Okay, that's nice. So this is
Not only
your
mine, also her.
Yes.
The name of the celebrities. Can you please tell me?
Abhignya. I'm
Abhignya. Abhignya, the superstar Abhignya.
So when are you going to be here till?
God knows, nothing is in.
Even in the monsoons, you want to stay in the Himalayas?
God knows. I don't know even. We don't know now. We meet here today. So it's a plan.
It's all Om Namah Shivaya.
Oh no,
that's
it's
all.
a totally plan
Yes,
created
by
by God. We are not a planner. We are just a entertainer, or we are just
We're just flowing
following.
how God did.
Yeah,
God is taking
yeah,
us.
yeah,
Yes,
yeah, yeah.
that's
And
all.
we are only puppets of
Puppets of God.
God, or thanks
The
God
universe.
of the universe, or we are connect with the natures, with the five element, so we can flow with the five element automatically. They can do us for everything good. Am I right?
Yes.
Abhinya.
Abhi. You can call me Abhi.
Abhi, superstar Abhi, celebrities, actress Abhi, right? Actress,
So I'm not an
model,
actress. No,
model.
no. I'm a yogi.
Spiritual, yogi,
I'm a
yogi Abhi.
Yes, yogi.
Done.
Thank you. Yes.
Anchor, yogi Abhi. Done.
Thank you. Yes.
It's a really. Can you
Yes,
repeat your dialogue?
yes.
Repeat your
I
dialogue.
said everything is good up towards God. Everything up is so good, but down is what we have to take care of. Up, it's always good.
Always good. So don't worry about
Yes.
too much. Think about the ups. So always
stuff
up is
just-
always good.
Yes.
So always enjoy your next level,
Yes,
upper level.
yes. Always go up, up, up because it's all good up.
So trying to go to always up, and
Yes.
come and join us. How we can reach the up?
Up. Yes. Sure.
I am sitting with one celebrity who is come from which country are you from?
From Russia.
And Russia, and she's a very
Celebrity.
no, I am not a celebrity. She's an international celebrity because she's many people say you feel when you are coming in India, so many people looks you like this. So
They asking one pic.
that's why you are there. All the people are asking one big. So every buddy need a picture with the celebrity. Can I make one picture with you?
Yes.
Thank you, my dear celebrity. So nice of you. And can you please tell me with how we say friends? Can you translate? How are you in? How do you say how are you in Russian language?
Как дела?
Как дела?
Как дела?
And what is the reply of как дела?
Хорошо. If you are
Хорошо.
fine, you can say
Хорошо.
хорошо.
If I am not fine, then what do I say?
Плохо.
Loha.
Плохо.
Bloha. Bloha is not fine. And if I am asking someone, hey, what's your name? How you translate in?
Как тебя зовут?
Как дела зовут?
Как тебя зовут?
Как тебя зовут?
Perfect.
Thank you very much. Как тебя зовут?
Саша.
Sasha. Меня зовут Артур.
I know,
Sasha.
I know.
Oh wow, thank you, Sasha. And if I am someone, hey, please have a seat. Please.
Садись.
Садись. And please,
Пожалуйста.
пожалуйста, садись.
Yes.
Пожалуйста, садись.
Wow,
Пожалуйста, садись.
perfect.
And if I am asking, please stand up.
Вставай.
Пожалуйста,
Вставай.
вставай. Пожалуйста, пожалуйста,
Вставай.
вставай. Пожалуйста, вставай. Пожалуйста, вставай. Please, пожалуйста, вставай.
Okay.
Пожалуйста, вставай. Пожалуйста, вставай. If I am asking someone, please come inside. How I say?
Заходи.
The
Заходи.
the
Заходи. Проходи.
Prakhazi.
Yes.
Prakhazi is please come inside.
Yes.
Пожалуйста.
Проходи, пожалуйста.
Паркази, пожалуйста.
Yes.
Паркази, пожалуйста.
Thank you.
Паркази, пожалуйста. And one more thing. Паркаzi, пожалуйста.
Проходи,
Please,
пожалуйста.
and if I'm asking, please, let's go.
Пойдем. Чало, пойдем.
Paidom.
Пойдем.
Paidom, chalo.
Yes.
By them. And if I'm offering someone, hey, please, would you like to have a coffee or tea with me? So how I can say in Russian language?
Ты хочешь кофе или чай?
Little bit slowly, little bit slowly.
Okay.
Yeah, please.
Хочешь кофе или чай? Хочешь
Kochish,
кофе?
kochish,
Кофе или чай?
kochish ili chai,
Yes.
kochish ili chai,
Хочешь кофе или чай?
kochish coffee ili chai,
Yes.
kochish coffee ili chai,
Yes.
kochish
Ah, you
coffee.
asking? No, no, thank you. It's too hot.
And how we say thank you?
Спасибо.
Spasiba. And how we say let's go?
Пойдем.
Paidom, 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 paidom.
Wow, you're so good.
Please. That's it.
No, I will go. I will eat something.
Okay, how we say I will go, I will eat something?
Я пойду.
Little bit slowly.
Я
Yeah,
пойду.
paidom,
Поем.
payam. Yeah, paidom, payam. Yeah, paidom, payam. Yeah, paidom, payam. Yeah, it means I want to eat something.
Yes.
Yeah, paim, paidom. Yeah,
Пойду.
yeah, paidom.
Пойду. It means I'm going.
I am going.
I will go.
Okay, for taking food.
Yeah.
Okay, so when we meet again?
When we'll meet again?
Yeah.
Today.
Okay, so take good care of yourself. Bye bye. Stay happy. Be blessed.
See you later.
पका पका
Пока-пока.
लगाने के लिए बोल रहे हैं आप?
जी
क्या लगाने के लिए बोल रही थी आप? क्या लगाने नहीं, सुनो कोई बात नहीं, ये डिसाइड हो गया। आप क्या लगाने के लिए बोल रही थी? क्या लगाना था? आपने कहा था ना कुछ लगाने के लिए, क्या लगाना था वो? ये लगाने का आप? हाँ, कोई बात नहीं, मैं कर रहा हूँ कोई बात नहीं, टेंशन नहीं लेने का। टेंशन नहीं, आप कहते ना फिल्टर या कुछ ऐसी कुछ बोल रहे थे, क्या लगाना?
उसमें मेरा मीम बन जाएगा।
सुनो, आप क्या फिल्टर लगाने के लिए बोल रहे थे? हाँ, तो आप इतनी खूबसूरत है, इतनी खूबसूरत है।
ये फिल्टर लगाओ, ये ओरिजिनल।
सुनो, आप इतनी प्यारी है, आप इतनी क्यूट है, आप इतनी क्या बोलते हैं उसको, ऑसम है, आप इतनी गॉर्जियस है कि आपको फिल्टर लगाने की जरूरत
अच्छा,
नहीं है।
जरूरत नहीं, चलो फिर रहने दो। ठीक है।
अभी ठीक है ना? तो जब एक खूबसूरत चेहरे सामने होते हैं ना, तो उन्हें फिल्टर लगाने की जरूरत नहीं है।
अच्छा, ठीक है।
सही है गलत? अब बताइए।
जी, सही
अब अभी फिल्टर लगाना है या नहीं?
नहीं, जरूरत
नहीं
नहीं
लगाना
है।
है। अच्छा, आप कहाँ से?
जम्मू से।
वाह भाई वाह, आप गए कभी माता के दरबार पे गए कभी?
नहीं, हमने अभी यहाँ पर टेम्पल देखा,
अच्छा,
बुद्धिस्ट एंड चर्च भी गए थे।
अरे वाह। अच्छा, और बुद्धिस्ट टेम्पल के अंदर आपको क्या एक्सपीरियंस रहा? चर्च के अंदर थोड़ा पास आइएगा आप, थोड़ा सा, मेरे पास ना इतना बड़ा फ्रेम नहीं है।
अच्छा।
और थोड़ा हो रहा प्लीज, धन्यवाद। क्या नाम है, बुद्धिस्ट टेम्पल में आपको क्या लगा और चर्च के अंदर क्या लगा?
बहुत
और
अच्छा experience।
मंदिर भी कभी गए आप या नहीं गए?
जी, मंदिर हम हर जगह जाते हैं।
कौन से मंदिर गए अभी ये तक आप,
मंदिर-
या कौन सी
नाम नहीं
चर्च
पता, पर हम गए हैं चर्च
anyway।
यहाँ पे जो
अच्छा,
famous है।
तो आप मस्जिद में भी जाती हैं?
जी,
कौन
हर
सी
जगह।
मस्जिद में गई हैं अभी तक?
हर जगह हम कश्मीर में भी जाते हैं।
कश्मीर
हर
में
जगह
कौन सी मस्जिद में गए आप?
मस्जिद ही वहाँ एक टाइप का मतलब मस्जिद ही है।
नहीं, वो श्रीनगर गए आप?
श्रीनगर, हाँ जगह।
श्रीनगर में एक मस्जिद है बहुत फेमस, जहाँ पर मोहम्मद साहब का दाढ़ी का बाल रखा हुआ है आपको।
हाँ जी, हजरत बल
हजरत बल दरगाह आप गए हो वहाँ
जी,
पर?
हम गए।
चलो, मेरी वहाँ की वीडियो भी है, आप देखिएगा।
ठीक है,
आप अजमेर शरीफ गए आप?
हाँ जी, हम वहाँ पे गए।
अरे वाह, क्या बात है, रहमतुल्लाह बरकातहू, बिस्मिल्लाह।
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। बस,
या इलाहा
हर जगह।
इल्लल्लाह। अच्छा, और अब आप बताइए कि चर्च का आपका कैसा एक्सपीरियंस रहा?
बहुत अच्छा रहा।
क्या
लोग
फर्क
बहुत अच्छे हैं।
क्या फर्क लगा आपको चर्च में और मस्जिद में?
फर्क कुछ नहीं होता, हर चीज अच्छी है, अच्छा सिखाती है, हम एक्सपीरियंस कर रहे हैं हर जगह बस।
और बुद्धिस्ट टेम्पल के अंदर आपको कैसा लगा? उनकी वाइब्स कैसे लगी?
वाइब अच्छी थी।
उनका जो डेकोरेशन थी और उनका
बहुत बढ़िया। खाना भी अच्छा था आपके यहाँ।
अच्छा, धन्यवाद। एक्चुअली अच्छा, एक बात और बताइए, एक यहाँ पर एक वो चक्र होता है बुद्धिस्ट के अंदर ना, एक जिसको हम घुमाते हैं,
वो ऐसे होता है।
हाँ,
वो करके आई हूँ मैं। हाँ, वो भी किया मैंने।
वो किया,
हाँ जी,
उसे क्या बोलते हैं?
पता नहीं, वो नहीं मुझे।
अच्छा, मैं आपको बता देता हूँ उसको क्या बोलते हैं। उसको हम दोस्तों मनी प्रेयर व्हील बोलते हैं। क्या
हाँ,
बोलते हैं?
व्हील टाइप ही था।
प्रेयर व्हील।
हम पहली बार देखा ना।
अच्छा, नहीं, अच्छी बात है। तो उसमें क्या होगा कि ना, लोगों को जिनको नहीं मालूम उनको पता लग जाएगा। तो उसको क्या बोलते हैं?
प्रेयर व्हील।
प्रेयर व्हील, यस। अच्छा, और उसके लिए जैसे हम कलमा पढ़ते हैं, मस्जिद में जाते हैं, तो
उसके लिए क्या पढ़ते हैं?
हाँ, तो उसके लिए हम बोलते हैं ओम मैनी पेमेंट।
क्या
ओम
बोलते हैं? ओम
मैनी पेमेंट, ओम।
अच्छा। ये भी कलमा टाइप ही होता है।
यप, एग्री विद यू, एग्री दैट दिस इज द ऑल मंत्रास कलमा और वट एवर यू लव, मतलब जो आपको पसंद हो वो आप बोलिएगा। लेकिन ये सब ईश्वर को, परमात्मा को, अल्लाह को, जीसस को, सबको हमारे पास लाने की उपाय है। अगर आप थोड़ा और उधर आएंगे ना तो आवाज इसमें क्लियर आएगी, नहीं तो आपकी आवाज नहीं जाएगी।
नहीं आ रही है, आवाज तो आ रही है।
आपका चेहरा, खूबसूरत चेहरा तो लोगों को नजर आएगा,
नहीं, आ
लेकिन-
चुका है चेहरे नजर कहाँ से क्या आएगा बताओ।
लेकिन वो था क्या नाम है, आपकी आवाज समझ में नहीं आएगी लोगों को, इसलिए मैं
आ
कहा।
गया
अच्छा अब आप बताइए आप कहाँ से हैं?
जम्मू से।
अच्छा जम्मू में क्या क्या चीजें देखने लायक है और लोगों को क्या क्या देखने आना चाहिए?
जम्मू से ज्यादा कश्मीर में अच्छी चीजें हैं, अगर बोला जाए तो देखा जाए
थोड़ा आप बताएंगे कश्मीर में क्या क्या?
वहाँ तो हर चीज, कश्मीर में तो हर चीज अच्छी है, हर चीज।
नहीं,
डल लेक, पार्क, डल लेक, वहाँ मस्जिद, वहाँ की मतलब हर चीज वहाँ पर अच्छी है।
और वहाँ की ब्यूटी?
ब्यूटी वो तो वैसी है ही कहीं नहीं, कश्मीर जैसी ब्यूटी कहीं भी नहीं।
अच्छा ब्यूटी मतलब बोले तो नेचर की बात करें।
नेचर की ब्यूटी,
नेचर
हाँ,
की beauty,
वैसी
जो
वैसी
सुंदरता है।
कहीं नहीं।
क्योंकि वहाँ पर जो पहाड़ है, वहाँ के जो वादियाँ हैं,
वहाँ की वादियाँ तो मैं बता ही नहीं सकती क्या है। चलो यहाँ भी देखा हमने, अच्छा था। मिनी
चलो अब
स्विट्जरलैंड, मिनी स्विट्जरलैंड
स्विट्जरलैंड इज दिस।
उसे बोलते हैं मिनी स्विट्जरलैंड। तो थैंक यू, थैंक यू,
गॉड ब्लेस।
थैंक यू।
हाँ अब बताओ क्या कह रही थी तुम?
वो कब कर देने बोल।
चलो ठीक है।
You can do it.
Go.